Have you ever wondered about the unseen forces that shape our world? What if I told you that there might be invisible fields guiding the development of life itself? This is the intriguing concept behind morphogenetic fields, a theory proposed by the biologist Rupert Sheldrake. These fields, unlike anything we can directly observe, are thought to be regions of influence that shape the forms and behaviors of living organisms. Imagine a blueprint, not made of paper, but of pure information, guiding the intricate dance of cells as they grow into complex beings. This is the essence of morphogenetic fields. They are proposed to carry patterns and instructions that orchestrate the development and regeneration of life. These fields operate through a process called morphic resonance, where patterns from the past influence the present. Think of it like this. Each time a species develops, it leaves an imprint on the field. This imprint then influences the development of future generations of that species. It's a fascinating idea that suggests a kind of collective memory within nature. Morphogenetic fields offer a radical departure from conventional explanations of development, which focus primarily on genes and biochemistry. While genes and biochemical processes are undoubtedly important, Sheldrake's theory suggests they may not be the whole story. Could these invisible fields hold the key to understanding the remarkable order and complexity we observe in the natural world? It's a question that has sparked both intrigue and controversy within the scientific community. Let's delve deeper into this intriguing concept of morphic resonance, a cornerstone of Sheldrake's theory of morphogenetic fields. It suggests that patterns, once established, don't simply vanish into thin air. Instead, they leave an imprint on the fabric of reality, a kind of echo that can resonate across time and space. This echo, this subtle influence, can then affect the formation of similar patterns in the future. Imagine a library filled with countless books, each one representing a unique pattern or form. Each time a new structure emerges, whether it's a snowflake crystallizing, a fern unfurling, or a bird taking flight, it adds a new book to this library. And just like a physical book can be borrowed and its contents shared, these patterns stored within the morphogenetic field can be accessed and replicated. This is the essence of morphic resonance, a continuous dialogue between past and present, a subtle but pervasive influence shaping the unfolding tapestry of life. Think about the implications of this idea. It suggests that we are not merely isolated entities, shaped solely by our genes and immediate environment. Instead, we are part of a vast, interconnected web of influence, shaped by the echoes of countless forms that have come before us. Each new generation inherits not only the genetic legacy of its ancestors, but also a legacy of form, behavior, and even perhaps instinct, passed down through the subtle whispers of morphic resonance. This concept of a universal memory, a repository of patterns accessible across time and space, is a theme that resonates deeply with many spiritual traditions as well. It speaks to a sense of interconnectedness, a recognition that we are all part of a larger cosmic dance, our individual stories interwoven with the grand narrative of existence itself. Let's journey beyond biology into spirituality. Here we encounter the astral world, a dimension alongside our physical reality. It's a realm of pure energy and consciousness, where thoughts and emotions come alive. Found in many spiritual traditions, it's linked to altered states like dreams or meditation. Imagine a world unconstrained by physics, where time and space are fluid. The astral realm lifts the veils of perception, revealing a reality beyond our senses. It's teeming with life, inhabited by various entities, both benevolent and malevolent, a place where our deepest fears and aspirations manifest clearly. Despite its elusive nature, the astral world has captivated human imagination for centuries. From ancient shamans to modern mystics, it's described as a source of profound wisdom and insight. In many spiritual traditions, the astral world is not seen as a separate, isolated reality, but rather as a dimension interwoven with our own. It's like a hidden layer beneath the surface of our everyday perception, a realm where thoughts and emotions take on a life of their own, influencing the physical world in subtle but profound ways. Imagine a tapestry, its intricate patterns woven from countless threads. The physical world, with its tangible forms and structures, represents just one layer of this tapestry. But beneath this visible layer lies another, woven from the subtle threads of thought, emotion, and intention. This is the astral realm, a realm where consciousness itself becomes the primary force, shaping and molding reality through the power of thought. Just as morphic resonance suggests a kind of collective memory within the realm of form, the astral world is often described as containing a repository of collective consciousness. It's a place where the thoughts, emotions, and experiences of all beings are said to be interwoven, creating a vast, interconnected web of consciousness that transcends the limitations of time and space. Think about the implications of this idea. It suggests that our thoughts and emotions are not simply fleeting, ephemeral things that vanish into nothingness. Instead, they have a real and lasting impact, contributing to the tapestry of collective consciousness that permeates the astral realm. This concept offers a profound perspective on the power of our thoughts and the interconnectedness of all beings. Seeking common ground between science and spirituality. At first glance, the scientific concept of morphogenetic fields and the spiritual notion of the astral world might seem worlds apart. One is rooted in the realm of biology, seeking to understand the mechanisms of form and development. The other delves into the realm of consciousness, exploring the unseen forces that shape our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Yet, beneath the surface of these seemingly disparate concepts, we find intriguing parallels, hinting at a deeper connection between science and spirituality. Both morphogenetic fields and the astral world challenge the strictly materialistic worldview, which posits that the physical world is all that exists. Both concepts suggest that there are unseen dimensions, realms of influence and information that transcend the limitations of our five senses. These realms, though invisible to the naked eye, may hold the key to understanding some of the most profound mysteries of life, consciousness, and the interconnectedness of all things. Morphogenetic fields, with their emphasis on patterns and resonance, offer a scientific framework for understanding how information might be transmitted and inherited in ways that go beyond our current understanding of genetics. The astral world, with its focus on consciousness and intention, provides a spiritual perspective on how our thoughts and emotions might have a real and lasting impact on the world around us. Could it be that these two concepts, though arising from different perspectives, are ultimately pointing towards the same underlying truth? Could it be that the seemingly separate realms of science and spirituality are, in fact, two sides of the same coin, offering complementary views of a reality far richer and more mysterious than we ever imagined? Where science and spirituality converge, reflect on the profound implications of these concepts. Both morphogenetic fields and the astral world challenge us to expand our view of reality. Science has focused on the observable and measurable, but some aspects of reality elude our instruments and equations. Exploring these realms bridges the gap between science and spirituality. It's like a multifaceted gem, each facet reflecting a different aspect. Science provides one perspective on reality. Spirituality offers another. Morphogenetic fields challenge the reductionist view. The astral realm suggests we are active participants in the universe. Embracing both leads to a holistic understanding of the cosmos. Weaving science and spirituality creates a richer understanding of the universe. Morphogenetic fields as guiding principles. Imagine a symphony orchestra with its multitude of instruments, each playing its part to create a harmonious whole. In development, cells are like musicians, dividing and differentiating according to the morphogenetic field. These fields act as an invisible conductor, guiding cells to form tissues and organs. Morphic resonance explains how fields resonate with forms and patterns that have existed before. A sunflower seed grows into a sunflower, guided by the morphogenetic field. This theory challenges traditional evolution, suggesting an inherent drive towards certain forms and patterns. The interplay of fields and the astral realm. So we have these two compelling concepts: morphogenetic fields, shaping the physical forms of life, and the astral realm, a realm of pure energy and consciousness, influencing the world through thought and intention. But how do these two realms interact? Could it be that the astral world, with its tapestry of thoughts, emotions, and intentions, actually influences the morphogenetic fields, shaping the very blueprints of life itself. Imagine a pond, its surface still and reflective. Now toss a pebble into the pond and watch as ripples spread outwards, disturbing the surface. In this analogy, the pond represents the morphogenetic field, the pebble represents a thought or intention from the astral realm, and the ripples represent the influence of that thought on the field. Just as a pebble can create a cascade of ripples, so too can our thoughts and emotions create ripples in the morphogenetic fields, influencing the development of life in subtle but profound ways. This interplay between the astral realm and morphogenetic fields suggests a powerful connection between consciousness and the material world. It suggests that our thoughts, emotions, and intentions are not simply confined to our heads, but rather have a real and measurable impact on the world around us. This concept has profound implications for how we understand our role as co-creators of reality. If we accept that our thoughts and emotions can influence the morphogenetic fields, then we must also accept that we have a responsibility to use this power wisely. Just as a skilled gardener tends to their garden, nurturing the growth of their plants, so too can we cultivate positive thoughts and emotions, contributing to a healthier, more harmonious world. In conclusion, the exploration of morphogenetic fields and the astral world offers a fascinating bridge between science and spirituality. As we continue to delve deeper into these realms, we uncover the intricate threads that weave together our understanding of the universe. This journey not only expands our knowledge, but also enriches our spiritual experience, reminding us of the profound interconnectedness of all things. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.